Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today in this new video, I want to show you how to load data in the database. But we have different ways to load the data. We can use the flat file with CSV. We can use another table in another database to put inside. But today we want to use load data in MariaDB. So we use another thing, it's Mariadb-Import. And we have another tools, it's Mysqldump and Mysqlshow, okay? But before to put this process, we must create a new database with MariaDB. So I can say we have something to learn, like I show you with my picture. And now we try to install MariaDB. So before we go to take the source, okay, here. My source is here. Okay. MariaDB. Okay, we take the source and we click install. Before to install, we prepare the directories. Okay, the directories here, we need the directories like this. We have a backup, we have data, we have a log, okay? So this is very important because the data, we put the data here. The log, we need the log here, okay? And we have a backup. In the backup, we have the source of CSV file, okay? We have for Mysqldump, okay? This is the old source. It comes from my remote server, okay? And here we have all we have the file to create the user to create. Okay, I must to put here in the backup, not here, but before here in the backup here, I must to put the script to create the user. Okay, so I go up, backup here, or we can create the to put the new, we call that script, okay? And inside we put, for example, create user, create something you need, or a procedure, okay? And now I come back here, I say next. I put this down, I say next. I set. Okay, next. You can okay, only okay, interval B. Oh, sorry. Until will be installed in, okay, and this will be installed okay, you check only if something is wrong. Okay, we say next. Here we have program. Okay, we say next. Data directories, and in the data directories we change, we take this F, we go up, we take the F, MariaDB and data. Okay, and here we put the password of the root. Okay, we enable the remote access. Okay, data dir. Okay, next. MariaDB service. The port, we change the port. We say the port is 15433. Correct. And buffer. Okay, I can put, you can change to put hot, for example 4096 40 and 6. Okay, zero. Next. Finish, we put install. Okay, install. Okay, you notice create here AD SQL. We finished to create MariaDB, and we have the service. Finish. Now we go to check the directories. We come here. We finish to create. We come to the data. This is the data dir. Okay, in data dir, we have the file of configuration. Okay, this is the data dir of our. And something in Windows is very important. We come to check the service task. Services. Okay, we open the services. Okay, in the services, we come here, we put MariaDB. It's open. Okay, you put properties. In properties, we have this. Say MariaDB. Okay, Control C. I open Notepad, new, Control V, here. This is the default file we use when you want to create many script, when you want to launch MariaDB. Okay, now we go to create the new databases. Okay, so now I go to configure MariaDB file. You know, one plan is this. We must follow this plan. Okay, we install MariaDB. Now I go to configure this file. But before to configure this, I create one script. I correct it. I put this, the port, the Windows. Okay, and now I want to test this. I take this. You can do the same thing. Okay, I show you. Control C. New. Control V. So in my script, I tell you before, I must use the same user for the replication because I want to do something. You know, now the important is to show you how to load data. I can use another user, but now it's the user root. Okay, we have a user root. Here I don't use the password of the root. Why? I show you why. Because I want to configure it in my my.ini file. Okay, the password. When you put the password inside, be safe to protect this file. Okay, and this file I call it in my script. I say safe. Safe. We go to F MariaDB script. Okay, we call this file start MariaDB, and MariaDB in MySQL database. Okay, and I say .bat. You can put a version if you want to see 10.9.2. Okay, I say all tip safe. I finish. You know, and this file I save it inside here. I come in my script, the file is here, start, you can put, okay, you can listen, no problem. And here I say, send it to desktop, like here, okay. Finish here, and I come back in the data dir. The data dir is here. My file is MariaDB data, and we take this. Okay, we take this, and we open this file with edit.bar. You see, the file is very simple. Here I put MySQL. Okay. Okay, so I modify the my.ini. Inside, I prepare for the user replication his password. The password for root, I change it. Into okay. To put Mysqldump. Okay, Mysqldump. I say I use the same user replication and root. Control C, Control V. Okay. I finish to configure this file. You can close it. And now I try to open. So we try to see the plan. Okay, now I create one script to start my databases. Okay, to start MariaDB with default database MySQL. Okay, I close here. I create this. Okay, we have create databases, create now we go to create database, and the user here I say I want to use replication user. Okay, because I need only one user. I can't put the name Toto Tata. Okay, I take replication because I use replication in my last video, and I take the same script, for you. I can't explain how to create a good user. Okay. Change icon. Okay, and this I can open now. I can open here, and properties, to put something like to change the color. Okay, I change the color. Here we can say, we can use, for example, show databases. Okay, and we create target DB DB. Okay, you can say show. Okay, we create target DB databases. Okay, and now we say we create the databases we create the user replication. Okay, and for the user it's nice to have a script. We create the script. Okay, the script I put it in the remote server. I can create here. Now we go to create a user. This is my file. Okay, this file I take all. Okay, we take this. Okay, Control C. I say this. Create user replication. We can change the name, put another name. Okay, and identify by we put the password here. We can change. We put something like Toronto. Or life is beautiful. Okay, no, remove. Okay, simple, very simple. Life is beautiful. This is the new password for this. Okay, and I come here, I take Control C and I remove this. Oh man, I like this. My nice password. Yes, it's okay, very nice. We keep this. Control C. Control V. Okay, I like it. I like it. And this, we take this, we call that save. I say create user replication .sql. Okay, save, and exists. You must change it because it's the same directories. We call it we call it create replication 2. Okay, save. 2 exists. Oh, something wrong. Okay, I change. Sorry. Create user. Create user. It's enough. Create user. Create user. Load data. It's okay. Create user. I put it in the, yeah, okay. No, I put in F. MariaDB normal because it's my remote. Create user replication. Okay, I put in the script. Yes, correct. Put something like this. Okay, create user replication for load data. Okay, now I open, I come here, I want to create this user. I come here, I say source. Okay, source, and I take my file. okay. Create user, we say go. Error, what was error? We can check what things is wrong, okay? We put this, okay, notepad, my file. We can check, we see, we forget to put this. Okay, I think it's this. Grant, we can here to put this in the same line, to come here, it's okay. Save, I close. Here we check the file, we try again, source, go. Oh, something wrong, what happened? Okay, it's only the character. We go, source, we try again, go. Okay, you create the user and, okay, pay attention with this, okay, this sometimes, this, pay attention, okay, because when you put the copy and paste, it change this. You know, a mistake was this, okay? Thanks. Now we can check. We can check to see select user host from select user host from Mysql.users. Okay, yes, now we can see replication and roots. Okay, we have created this user. So remember, I promised you to show you how to create the correct user, because sometimes when you create the user, you must pay attention. For example, if I come back in this script, you create a user, okay, here we put replication. We can call it load data, because when I want to keep one name for user, for replication, for load data, only replication, okay? So sorry for that, but I prefer to keep only one. And we create this user, we say create user, pay attention for this, okay? And you must create another is localhost, okay? And when we finish to create this user, okay, we come back here. We come back here, we say we create databases. With database, we create the user, okay? Now we must prepare the Load Data Infile CSV. But for this, I create my file from my remote database, okay? How to create this? Before we create the table, we load the data and I show you how you can create, okay? Now I create one icon to connect in the remote server Win 2019, and this is to connect in a local server, okay? And we try to test, but when you change the file, the my.ini file, you must all time to remove to restart the server MariaDB, okay, the service MariaDB. Now we test the connection in remote before, because I want to create. I come here. We want to create the CSV file with this, okay, because we use the same file for the two. And I come here, I put the connection. I want to change the color, to put the color very red, because it's a remote database, no error. Imagine production, you put the error. It's not nice for a person who work in remote, okay. Great. Okay, and this we keep is in blue. Now we test the local connection. We have this with replication user, because it's for this reason I say I want to keep the replication user, because I'm the same user in these remote databases. Okay, change the color. Okay, but now we want to create the CSV file. The CSV file is here. Show database in the remote server. The CSV file, we want to take it in the load data databases. Come here. Use load data, show tables in load data. Okay, we have 3 tables. It's the same because I copy the same. Okay. And here we put this. Here we create this directory, okay, and we try to check if we have this directory in the share directory. Let's share. We have, yes, we have here this CSV, okay. We have a directory for this, so we come here. We come here in the properties. I see the name of the share directories. Control C, okay, and I come here. Okay, now I try to create the file inside the local, database, but before I want only to create the CSV file. Okay. Okay, sorry, because I tried to fix one issue. So in my process to create the CSV file, okay, and I go to connect in the remote. This is the connection from the remote server 2019. Okay, this is the local connection from because I test if directory you can. I say many error. Okay, this we can. Don't worry for that. Okay, now I say select into my remote directory, but this remote directory is in my machine. I'm in remote server. I ask him to write in the remote directory because this directory is here. It's this. Okay, this we can put this. Okay, this the properties we show has in the share. It's this. Okay, this. Okay, cancel. Now it's empty. Okay, I put this. I ask the remote server to give me one file. He put the output in CSV format. Field terminate by. Okay, and I say go. We can see here. He say 91 road. Okay, it's this. This is my CSV file I will use in load in MariaDb-Import. Okay, but before to do that, you must create physically the table customer. But to create the table customer, we can ask again the remote. Okay, to ask. I'm in the load data in the remote server. I ask him, please show create table customer. Don't remember I tell you the small or the. Okay, this you can put this. It show create table. Okay, I take this. Pay attention, you see here free. Okay, and we put this. We put it inside our file. No, here. We put here, but before to continue, we put this. We come in the target database. We say show create database. Okay, to see the character set. sorry, I put many a. Sorry, show target DB. Okay, and we have this detail set that we don't put character set. Okay, no problem, because if you put the character, for example, I come in my file. Oh, what happened? My mouse. Okay, I put this. Okay, I put this char set here. Okay, I say save. Okay, I change here, and if I come here, I say show or global, or value is the same. Okay, global, if you want global variable like okay, this will be null because I change the value in my.ini. I see this. Okay, it say Latin, so on. Okay, but it say free here. Okay, if I change, I put 4. Okay, I must to restart. My services here. Okay, if I change, it change the value. Okay, but we keep this. But we see in the database the value is this. So we can keep our table to create it with the same value. Okay. Okay. I drop table for one. You want to show how to see drop table customers. Okay. I say I take my script, I put here create. This script is the same show table in target DB. Oh, sorry. Show tables as please. Okay, only one table inside, and this table is empty. If you say select stars from customers, it's empty. Now we want to load the data inside this table, and to load data we try to use the CSV file, okay, and this local table. Okay, I come here, I take this directory, because I take this directory, Control C, I put it in my file. Control V, okay, and I correct this because MariaDB must pay attention in Windows. Okay, this is in local, and this is correct. Okay, and now I want to load this. Okay, I remove only to show you. I take this. I can put it to the same line if you want. Yes. So we execute load data infile from, okay, for this local. We finish with the remote databases, okay, only to take information to create the CSV file. And I come here, okay, target 22 here, and okay, so before to launch, I'll show you. Load data infile, okay, because pay attention of the space. This is okay. Okay, so this file comes from this database, and I transform this table into a CSV file. Is the flat file, okay, and I can open another here. It's win. We can do that. Okay, I can, yes, I'm to here. I come here, I say use target DB. Okay, show tables. Okay, select count étoile, count start, from customers. Okay, 0. And here I start to charge my table. Okay, we start the process to charge with load data. Look at infile. I say this. We come here, enter. Sorry, when I say the copy and paste, it gives me the bad things, you know, in my query. Okay, we put this, go, it will be fine. And here he told me query, okay, 91 rows, okay, inside, and we must to check it. Okay, I come to check, I come in here, I put the same query again, select count stars from. Okay, now we have data inside. So for the step 1, load data, we have, okay, we finish. And if we follow our we say the first step is load data infile CSV. The second is Mariadb-Import. Okay. Sorry, because when I take the file from the character, okay, we must to check before you check your CSV file. Now I try to truncate this table. Okay, I want to truncate this table and to charge it with MariaDb-Import. Okay, Okay, now we saw load data in file. Now we try to execute the MariaDb-Import, okay? Because we put the plane, we try to respect this plane. And I take this MariaDB here because this is my, okay? And Control C. Okay, I want to be sure because I show you to use this. We must use PowerShell. We come here, PowerShell here, admin, okay. We can change, but we keep this. Properties, color, okay, this, and screen back, take this, screen white, okay. Screen black, and here we come here. I say, okay, I don't know if you can see something clear. I try to change the color, you know, to help you to find something clear. I say color. We keep black and white. White. Screen black. Okay. So here, simple. MariaDB user replication. Host win20 is my host, okay. This my port. I delete data and I replace. Local values, target, okay. Target, we take target DB database, and this is my file USB. Pay attention because it takes the same name of the table. I come here, I say truncate. This is select count, okay. Now I say truncate this table. Okay, 0, and we come here, Mariadb-Import, okay. This is normal because I don't change my my file here, okay. This, you must fix it. You come here. Okay, here we put new. I take the directory of my MariaDB, okay. Okay. we close here. I open another because when you did that, okay, I come here, I take this, because you don't know Mariadb-Import, okay, I take this, okay, access denied for user, or this is not a problem. We change for replication. Don't worry, because I put in comment the password of my user replication, okay, and I come here. I take one, I take this, edit, default, init, Control C, I come here, I must give one information here. Okay. Normal, because MariaDB don't respect, okay? Come here. Load file. Il say, okay. M. Restart. Sometimes you can test this. Show. I open one. Okay. Show variable like log error. Okay. This is the file. I come here. Okay, notepad .exe. Okay, notepad.exe. This I go to check the error in my MariaDB at the end. What it say? Socket. Okay. Okay, it's okay. So here we saw it bring the data. Oh, sorry. Okay, I try to check what something will be, and now I come to check again. Select count. Okay, we MariaDB import. Okay, because I force the password here. You know, this it will be solution, but I like to add the password. Okay, because I'm working like administrator from the database. Nobody around me, but it's very safe to hide the password. But this I put the password in the line command, it will be okay. So we saw the load data, we saw the MariaDB, and we can truncate again. Here I come here, CLS, okay. We put again our command here. I truncate, select count, truncate table, customers, okay, and select count, nothing. We come here, we try to charge with MariaDB-Import, we say count, okay, and this is okay because MariaDB-Import we use the PowerShell or test Mysqldump, okay. But now we have something to test, copy. It's another command, is Mysqlshow. In Mysqlshow we use the PowerShell, okay, here. It's simple. Mysqlshow, okay, you put the default my.ini, your database, the table, you have a description of a table, okay. Sometimes it's very important if you want to generate or to create another table. This is Mysqlshow, and for the last we use Mysqldump, okay. Mysqldump is like a dump, is only to backup, or if you load your data from CSV, sometimes it's very important to use a small backup like Mysqldump and put it safe, okay. You can restore anytime, okay. For the last, we use Mysqldump to backup all work from database target DB, okay. Don't forget to check your log file if you find error inside, and we go only to check in the directories all job, okay. But now I can say thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.